So let me explain to you exactly how this works. The first column over here is an awareness column. The second one is a consideration column. The third one is a conversion column. Do you guys know? You probably didn't, because I just realized this a few months ago, that this is a marketing funnel from not being a customer to becoming a customer. Guys, this is incredible. Why? Because Facebook is telling you right here that the first type of campaigns that you should be running are awareness campaign, branding campaign, letting people know what you are, letting people know how you can help them. An individual connection with another human being is what you're trying to establish at this first point. That's a branding campaign. That's an awareness campaign. The way that you do this right here is that you start off with these sort of campaigns. We got awareness, consideration, and conversion. Awareness, Facebook, directly from Facebook, what do they say? Objectives that generate interest in your product or service. It's not that they're gonna buy your stuff, it's generating interest. The second column is consideration. What does it say? Objectives that get people to start thinking about your business and look for more information about it. Wow. So on this particular level, guys, what we're trying to do is get people to start thinking about doing business with us. Do you understand? It's a funnel. It's a process. It's a actual relationship building system that you're trying to put into play. So those people now become your army, your brand ambassadors. They do word of mouth. They get more people into your funnels. They buy your products. And not only that, they buy them over again next month if you have a consumer good package, right? Consumer goods package product that you can actually have to rebuy over and over. Conversions, objectives that encourage people interested in your business to purchase or use your product or service. So you see, when you are running campaigns on Facebook, you are getting them through a funnel. At the beginning of your efforts, you're trying to get them into developing some interest about you, awareness. Later on the funnel, you're trying to develop consideration, make them think about your brand, product, or service. How do you do that? You have traffic campaigns, you have engagement, video views campaigns, lead generation, messages campaigns. And then down the line, for retargeting or for whatever channels that you want to use, when it comes to actually getting into purchase, you use conversions campaigns. Conversions, catalog sales, store visits, those are actions that you are trying to take to make people act and become your customers.